What I'm going to say today, people may be happy, people may not be happy. But the truth is that we must always tell ourselves the simple truth. It has never been in our mind. We have heard government come and go. This has been here for years. Even me, I was a Minister of State Education before I became a supervising minister. Today, Minister of FCT, I have never imagined, I've never thought, nobody has even come to me to say, Mr. Minister, why do you have to leave this type of place like this that welcome the visitors to the city? Your Excellency, this is your brainchild. Let me say it here, you called me and they said, hold on for the First Lady. I said, wow, which wahala again be this? And you said, Minister, have you not been traveling? If you have been traveling, which I know you have been traveling, is it how other city gates look like? Is there no way you can beautify this place that anybody coming to Abuja will say, yes, indeed, I'm entering the capital city of a country? I said, no problem, I will do it. I did not talk about it again. 3 months later, you called me, Minister, is it that you didn't hear what I said? Or if you don't want to do it, I'll go by myself and do it. I said, this is a serious matter. I called the FCDA. I said, listen, what again can we do in that place? Are we going to bring this thing down? He said, let's call Julius Berger. And we called Julius Berger, and they said, let's see what we can do. Give us 2-3 weeks. Let's think about what we can put in to make a difference. 2 weeks, I've not heard from Julius Berger. I called the go and call Julius Berger that if I lose my job, they will also lose their job. So the managing director said, look, we are working. It's not going to be easy, but we will achieve it. I said, okay, if you are going to achieve it, how many years will it take you? He said, well, since it looks like you're in a hurry, that by the 3rd anniversary of Mr. President, you want the city gate to look different. I said, you know it very well. He said, okay. You know, we are very, very expensive. We'll do the work, but you pay us. I said, no wahala. Then they did the design. When I came here, while they were working, I don't understand what they were doing. They are digging ground here, digging here. I said, what are you doing? He said, take it easy. You will see what it will turn out to be. You have come here now. You will see what it will turn out to be. You have come here now. You look as if there's some simple. It's not simple. If you know what they put in here on ground, you will be marveled. I know that by the time Her Excellency commissions this Remodel city gate, and then you see the lighting, except somebody who does not like good things. If anybody here likes good things, and by the time she commissions this, and you see the waterfront and the lighting, you will know that the glory of God will have arrived. Now, I'm not the kind of person that talks about praises and praise, no. But let me say it clearly. Your Excellency, you may not like it, but the truth must be told. What is the office of the First Lady? Fill in the gaps. There are things you can imagine as a government. It never occurred to us that, look, yes, you are doing roads, yes, you are building schools, but again, you should beautify your place. I didn't say I will go and bring somebody to do it. He said, listen, do this. It will help us. It will change the landscape of the area. That is the essence of Office of the First Lady. Fill in cars. And all I'm saying is for people to emulate. It's for people to emulate the good things. How you have sat down, in spite of all the time schedules, you thought about this. How many people have been passing here? Virtually every day, millions of people. Nobody has approached us. But you thought it that, look, this is not befitting of a nation. I'm going to add something to the administration of my husband. Your Excellency, I want to thank you most sincerely. Thank you for contributing that today our city gate has changed. Some people will say, it's not other city gate. People who don't know anything. They don't know what's called beauty. They don't know what's called landscaping. But these are the same people, when they live here, they go to one small water fountain and take pictures and come and show us here. I was so place. You see how it is. Here is better than that place. And let me assure you that it is not going to be okay having commissioned it today. What will happen there? No. We are making an arrangement with Julius Berger to see that they take over the maintenance of this place so that we don't have anything to regret. And just like the Julius Berger MD has said, just on the other side is where you have the car park. That's provided for maybe a restaurant, toilet. Come here, people can do their marriages here, can do their entertainment here, take pictures, and go and tell them, I am in overseas. The overseas I am is Nigeria. So, I want to thank you. And let me also thank Mr. President. Yes, bringing out an idea is a different thing. And making sure that it is backed up with resources to accomplish it. This contract was awarded November last year. November last year. Today, we're in July, completed. If he did not make the resources available, it would have been difficult. That's why when people say, FCT, we are doing well. We are doing well because monkey they jump, monkey they jump. Now we are three near three. Maybe some of you may not understand where three there. If the trees are not close, monkey cannot jump. If he jump, the leg will break.